In this video, I'll show you how to order food on Grab app. So to get started, go ahead and open the Grab app on your device, turn on your location services, and then once you have turned it on, Grab will immediately display all of the restaurants near you. So in here, head over into the food tab. And then from here, you'll be able to find the list of restaurants available near your area. So you can go ahead and browse this and then click on the restaurant that you want to order to, and then select the branch of that restaurant that you want to order from. And then from here, you can go ahead and select the specific item that you want to order from this restaurant. So you just need to simply click on that plus button to be able to add an item into your cart. So in here, you just need to select your taste preference, craving, pickup size, and click on that add to basket button to add that to your cart. And then to be able to check out, you need to click on your basket button at the bottom of your screen. And then in here, you just need to set your delivery location along with the delivery options, such as the priority, standard, and saver mode of delivery. And then you need to set your payment details as well. So you can pay online or pay in cash. So after you have set this up, you just need to click on that place order button to order this successfully on Grab. And that is how you can basically order food on the Grab app.